Hi there, this is Fixed It. I really like my Nespresso type coffee and coffee machines, and you may have seen I've done some videos about using reusable capsules, but it's a bit of a faff. And then I was contacted by the company that make the Capsulier Lite, who offered me a unit to review, and here it is. It's well packaged. I'll just open it up. So here we have the Capsulier Lite. It's a device for filling Nespresso type reusable capsules using your own coffee mix. The unit itself comes in a really nice sturdy box, and I'll just undo that. Inside it's well protected by foam on all sides. And I'll just take the unit out. The unit's made out of plastic arm. I did think that was possibly metal, but it's all plastic. And it basically consists of a tray holder at the bottom, a place for the capsule to go, and the capsule there, and a container at the top for putting in your coffee. In the box there's a user guide that gives visual and written instructions on how to use the Capsulier Lite, and there's also a box, and if I open this, it contains a single reusable capsule, a brush for brushing up any coffee, and a small spoon for doing a measured load into the top of the machine. So I'll get some coffee and I'll give it a try. So the first thing to do is to rinse out the capsule. It's metal and stainless steel, but I need it to be clean. Be careful when you're rinsing out the capsule. Inside there's a thin metal mesh, and if you lose that you'll get bits being pushed through into your coffee cup, so try and make sure that stays in place. So that's nice and clean. So what I need to do now is to slot it into the machine. When you're putting the capsule in, hold the arm down and just put the capsule in. Put the top safely to one side, and now what I need to do is to put in some coffee. So I'll do that. Let me just get this little scoop out. What I'll do is I'll put a couple of scoops in. Okay, now I'll close the lid. On the side of the machine there's a dot and an eye, and you basically pull the lever from the dot up to the eye and then push it back down again. As I now pull the lever upright, and the capsule's disappeared backwards. That, I'll just give it a wiggle and then push that back down. And now I take out the capsule, which has coffee on it, really smoothly done to the top with no additional residue, and I need to push on the lid, and there we have it.